Hey guys, Fennec here. I stay 95 of uploading every day until the algorithm notices me, which has pretty much lost all meaning now. Kinda. Anyway, I'm with my dad and we're gonna go see the new movie that's out. What the hell is that? Can you hear that? The video is lagging now. Anyway, it stopped. Thank God. Ooh, leaves. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna go see the movie, called, Project Hail Mary. Now, I know absolutely nothing about this movie, so I'm watching it blind. Yeah, anyways. Oh God, there's people. I'm just gonna end this here. Subscribe.